Welcome to your journey toward mastering personal finance. If you're just starting out, know that this is one of the most empowering decisions you can make for your future. Personal finance isn't just about numbers. It's about creating a life of freedom, security, and opportunity. Whether you're saving for a dream vacation, planning for retirement, or simply trying to avoid living paycheck to paycheck, the steps you take today will shape your tomorrow. Let's dive in and explore how you can build a solid foundation for wealth. The first step to mastering personal finance is understanding where your money goes. Start by tracking your income and expenses. This might sound tedious, but it's essential. Create a budget that aligns with your goals, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a big purchase, or investing. Remember, a budget isn't about restricting yourself. It's about making intentional choices with your money. Apps and tools can make this process easier, but even a simple spreadsheet can work wonders. The key is consistency. Over time, you'll start to see patterns and identify areas where you can cut back or save more. Once you've got a handle on your budget, it's time to tackle debt. Debt can feel overwhelming, but it's not insurmountable. Focus on paying off high-interest debt first, like credit cards, while making minimum payments on lower-interest loans. Consider strategies like the debt snowball or debt avalanche methods to stay motivated. Every dollar you put toward debt is a step closer to financial freedom. And remember, avoiding new debt is just as important as paying off old debt. Live within your means, and you'll find that life becomes much less stressful. Saving and investing are the cornerstones of building wealth. Start by building an emergency fund. Aim for 3 to 6 months' worth of living expenses. This safety net will protect you from unexpected setbacks, like a job loss or medical emergency. Once your emergency fund is in place, focus on long-term goals. If your employer offers a retirement plan, like a 401k, take advantage of it, especially if they match contributions. For other investments, consider low-cost index funds or ETFs, which are great options for beginners. The earlier you start investing, the more time your money has to grow through compound interest. Even small amounts can add up significantly over time. Finally, remember that personal finance is a journey, not a destination. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small, and don't be discouraged by setbacks. Surround yourself with resources, books, podcasts, and communities that inspire and educate you. Financial literacy is a lifelong skill, and every step you take brings you closer to your goals. You have the power to create the life you want, and it all starts with taking control of your money. So take that first step today. Your future self will thank you.